Hello everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel made Aspirant. So guys, as you know, I am decided to take 21 days study challenge. So this is not a vlog, this is my timetable of study challenge. I am taking study challenge from Tuesday and you will get vlog on Wednesday at 7 am. And guys, you can also join me with this 21-day study challenge. That here you can also share your day in comment box. So guys, hope you will show your love and support. Thank you everyone. Best of luck.